All right, this is a short video on how to replace the battery in a Ford Explorer. This is for the 5th generation Ford Explorer. This is going to be model years 2018-2019 Ford Explorer, and this is their smart key. It has an internal valet key, which I'll show you how to remove so we can get access to the battery right now. So press this button here to remove the internal valet key, and this will give you access to 2 holes here. You can see in this top one here, there's a nice little slot if you take a little flathead Phillips screwdriver or even another key itself. Kind of give you some leverage to pop off this back in these 2 slots here, and just a little bit of working around the edge in the back of this fob, and you can pop this right off. And the battery inside here is a CR2450, and to pop this out, there's 2 little kind of pieces of plastic here that kind of hold it in place. If you can just kind of pull those back, and you can get the battery itself out once you depress those and put in a new 2450 battery. Just make sure that the text side here, is facing you as you push it back in. So when you put the battery back in, you're able to see the text there. That way you've got it on the right spot. Then go ahead and put the backing back on. This just clicks right back into place. And there you go. This is how you change the battery on a, this is the smart key fob for the Ford Explorer Generation 5 models years 2018 and 2019. And again, the battery type for this one is the CR2450.